All right, everybody. I spent some time trying to understand this app tonight, and Connor actually came over and we looked at it closely. So I just want to walk you through some of the pieces. So when you sign into the app, see if I can do this with my finger. Sign into the app, you want to go to the little batted guy. I think it defaults to bring you here. That's where it opens. But you want to go here, right? And then you go up to this spot right here, the little clock, and it's going to pull up your swings from today. Um, and actually, if we had more data, it would give you some insights into your swing. So these are my swings. I only had three. And then if you do enough 30 swings in a week, it'll give you some insights and you can do like a whole evaluation. But from the swings from today, you just click on this and then I have my individual swings. But I can also click on my daily report. And actually, I'm just going to change this. I have access to everybody's swings because I'm the coach. But like, let's just pick Jose here, for instance. Um, these are all the individual swings you'll see, like right here. There's all the individual swings. So for any of these, I can go into it, and you can see that it says downloading because there's a video here that obviously I filmed him, and I didn't film it on my phone. I filmed it on the iPad, so that's still downloading. But I can always click on this on the swing button here, and it's going to show the path of the swing. And actually, this is live too. I can move this around in any direction that I want. And then I can also click bat plane and it gives me that too. So, and that orange spot is the contact spot of your swing. Okay. So for any of these swings, I can see that, and then I can click this and get the metrics, right? I have bat speed to impact, hand speed max, time to impact, vertical bat angle, and attack bat angle. And I'm going to explain these 5 metrics in a second. And you can see that this one right here is red. This one is orange, 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 and green. And what that means is I've set everybody's account to be like to have you at the the college goals. So like for instance, the college goals for bat speed to impact is 75 miles per hour. So it kind of tells you. So if I can switch between another one. So now this is another swing, 72, 29, 0.15. These are all three. These are green. So he's in the zone based on his goals. Okay. So down here for every swing, I have these metrics. I have the actual swing itself, right? And then I have the video that you have to just sit on and let it download if you want to see the actual video. And to just show you, well, I'll have to show you, once the video downloads, I'll come back to this swing. Maybe I'll just figure out what swing is it. Let's just go to I'm just going to download his first swing so I can come back to it. Oh, nice crash there. Okay, so here we go, starting over again. I'm here, I go to the guy, you go up here to this guy, and it'll just have your name here at the top. Go back to Jose. So you click on that little guy, and it's going to bring in all of your swings. We click on all of his swings. We can go into any of these swings, right? And it's going to download the video. We can look at the actual swing plane. We can look at the actual data, okay? Now, if we come back out here, what's really valuable is if I click on daily report, this is like the summary of all that I did today. So I had 20 swings, I used one bat, and these are my stats on average. So on average, Jose's bat speed at impact was 79, his goal was 75, hand speed max 28, his goal was 30, and so on. Now, you might be wondering what these 5 metrics are, and that's the big thing you want to learn and study. So if you click on the plus button, it'll define what bat speed to impact is. Bat speed to impact is the measure of miles per hour of the velocity of the barrel of your bat when the bat hits the ball, right? It says the standard. So for professionals, it's 70 to 90 miles an hour. You can see our goal is 75 and Jose's at 79 at average. And then it gives you a tip. Then you can go to the next one, hand speed max. What's that? Hand speed is the measure in miles per hour of the maximum velocity at the bottom hand that the bat travels. For a typical professional, it's between 32 and 38. But for college, it's 30 miles an hour. And it gives you a tip. Time to impact, right, is the amount of time in seconds from the start of your downswing until you impact the bat with the ball. The closer to 0 your swing is, the quicker your bat is to the ball. So like the goal for this one is 0.16 and Jose's at 0.85. So he's pretty close, right? And so on to bat vertical angle. Again, you can read these things, and we'll get really good at understanding what they are. And then this is the attack angle, so the definition and the standard for professionals. So that just gives you a sense. This app is going to always measure those 5 variables. And the goal, right, is that you're in the green. And any of these things that you're consistently in the red or in the orange, that's the way we want to make changes and shift. So that gives you a brief overview of this app. Again, the way that you get to it is it's going to bring you in here to start. You just go to your guy and you go to the clock here, and then you click on today. It'll always be organized by date. You can look at any of the individual swings, or you can look at the daily report. Okay. There's a few other things this app does, but what I just described to you is primarily what we're going to use it for. Hopefully you watch this and you get a sense of it.